Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. Firstly, open two apps that you wish to use in this view. In my case, Play Store and Chrome. When you're ready, access background apps by clicking on this square button and click off on the icon of an app that you wish to use on the top half on your screen, in my case Play Store. Now you need to select split screen and then click on the other app. As you can see, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!